Julie Bear update sa IG story ni Miss Joy. And fun night, non-stop laughter. Nagkasama ni Julie, ang boss ng GMA at Abby noon. And nakakrap pa nga si Rayber katabi ni Julie dahil ibang endorsement si Rayber. Nagkasama yung dalawa. Palagi.
Babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa love kasi.
Hello everyone,
Pinabangan si
Julie
Julie
here,
sa SM
catching live at
Mall
the
of Asia.
official launch of the new 2024 Isuzu D-Max on June 26 p.m. at the central atrium of SM Mall of Asia. Be among the first to view this exceptional vehicle and test drive at Isuzu 4x4 Action Playground. See you there!
6 p.m. Tapos nung nasa Taiwan si Julie, ay nagpalipad sila ng Skylander. Kasama pang fireworks. Enjoy dyan si Julie. Kasama ang kanyang si Rayber. Tapos challenge. Tapos si Julie. May naalala niya si Rayber. Just sa sulap. Binasa niya.
Walking around mountains in rivers. I found that you are my firework. Walking around mountains and rivers. Pero ang nakita ko ay si River.
Oo nga, no? Ang galing ha. Naitugtog mo ng Julie ha.
Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click on notification bell for more update. Ito po ang Nurture Reaction Vlog. Bye guys, thank you for watching.